Question is given a square is equal to b plus 73, b square is equal to a plus 73. Where condition is given a is not equal to b, we have to find out the value of ab where a is not equal to b, and second question is we have to find out the value of addition of a plus b. So what is the value of a plus b? Let's see solution, how we can find out the value of a and b. Right, solution. So question is a square is equal to b plus 73. This is equation number 1. Next equation is b square is equal to a plus 73. This is equation number 2. Now we can subtract here equation 1 and 2. So when we are subtract equation 2 from 1, then we will get a square is equal to b plus 73, b square is equal to a plus 73, and we have to subtract this equation, right? So we will get here a square minus b square, a square minus b square is equal to plus 73 minus 73. Here b minus a, so b minus a, right? So here we got a square minus b square is equal to b minus a. This is a square minus b square. So we can use here formula a square minus b square is equal to value of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write a plus b times a minus b is equal to b minus a, right? Now a minus b times a plus b is equal to, we can, if we are taking here sign common here, then we will get here a minus b, right? Minus a and minus minus plus, so plus b. We are taking minus sign common in outside, so we will get here a minus b times a plus b. Now this is in RHS, so if you are taking this term in LHS, then it will become plus, so plus a minus b is equal to 0 in equation form. Now a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, so we can take a minus b common. We are taking here a minus b common, so left term, that is a plus b plus 1, a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we got here two equations. First one is a minus b equal to 0, and next one is a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So first one is a plus b equal to 0, or next one is a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. So a plus b equal to 0. So here first one is a minus b, this is minus, a minus b equal to 0, right? So a minus b equal to 0, then we can say here a is equal to b, but in equation this is already given condition a is not equal to b, so this is rejected because a is not equal to b. This is given in condition. Now left second equation, that is a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to this equation, right? So a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now here a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. So we can say here, therefore a plus b is equal to minus 1. Now we can say this is equation number 3, right? Now we have to add equation 1 and 2 given in question. So equation 1, that is a square is equal to b plus 73, and b square is equal to a plus 73. We have to add here, add equation 1 and 2, right? So if we are adding this equation, we will get here a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to b plus a plus 3 3 6 and 7 7 14, so 146. We got here equation, that is a square plus b square is equal to a plus b plus 146. But from equation 3, this is a plus b is equal to minus 1 from equation 3, right? So a plus b, this is a plus b. A plus b is equal to minus 1. You can say this is equation 4. So substitute value of a plus b equal to minus 1 in equation 4. Then we will get a square plus b square is equal to a plus b is minus 1 plus 146. So it will become a square plus b square is equal to 145, right? This is become 145. This is equation number 4. Now from equation 3, a plus b is equal to minus 1, a plus b is equal to minus 1, right? From equation 3. Now a plus b equal to minus 1, if you are taking here square, so taking square both sides, on both sides, then we will get a plus b whole square is equal to minus 1 whole square. Now a plus b whole square, value of a plus b whole square is, this is formula, so this is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to minus 1 square, that is 1, right? Now a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to 145. A square plus b square is equal to 145 from equation 4. So we have to substitute this value here. So we will get here 145 plus 2ab is equal to 1. You can say this is from equation 4. So 145 plus 2ab is equal to 1. We can write this 2ab is equal to 1 minus 145. Therefore 2ab equal to 1 minus 145 is 144. So minus 144. This is the value of 2ab. Now therefore we can say ab is equal to minus 144 divided by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, minus 72. So value of ab is equal to minus 72. Therefore we can say value of b equal to, minus 72 by a, right? We can say this value of b equal to minus 72 by a. We need these two value in future. Now from equation 3, a plus b is equal to minus 1, right? And value of b is equal to minus 72 by a. So we can substitute this value here. So you can say this is equation number 5. So substitute value of equation 5 in 3. Then we will get a plus value of b is minus 72 by a is equal to minus 1, right? Now a minus 72 by a is equal to minus 1. Now if we are taking here LCM, then we will get here a. So it will become a square minus 72 is equal to minus 1. So we can write this a square. If we are doing cross multiplication here, a square minus 72 is equal to minus a, right? So a square, this we will taking this one in LHS. So a square plus a minus 72 is equal to 0. This is one equation form. Now 72, factor of 72 is 9 8 72, and 9a plus 9a, 9 8 72, and plus 9a minus 8a is equal to a. So we are using these two factor here, a square plus 9a minus 8a minus 72 is equal to 0. We are taking 9 common here. So, a. We are taking a common here. So, left term, that is a plus 9. And here also a plus 9. Left term, that is minus 8a. Minus 8. So, minus 8a minus plus minus 8 9 is 72 equal to 0. So, it will become a plus 9. First term a plus 9. And next one is a minus 8. A minus 8 equal to 0. We got here two equations. First one is a plus 9 equal to 0. A plus 9 equal to 0. Or next one is a minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is equal to minus 9 here, or value of a equal to 8 here. So, we got these two value of a here. First one is minus 9 and second one is 8. Now, we have to find out the value of b here. Now, from equation b equal to minus 72 by a, right? So, if we are taking a1 equal to minus 9, so value of b1 is equal to minus 72 by a1 is equal to minus 72 by a1 is minus 9. This is a1 and this is a2. So, a1 is minus 9. Minus is cancelled from minus 9, it is a 72. So, we can say value of b1 is equal to 8. Now, b2 is equal to minus 72 by a2 is equal to minus 72 by a2. a2 is 8, right? So, 8 9s are 72. This is minus 9. So, we can say value of b2 is equal to minus 9. Therefore, we can say value of ab equal to, if a1 is equal to minus 9 equal to, a1 is equal to minus 9, at that time value of b is equal to 8, and if value of a2 equal to 8, so it will become b2 is minus 9. So, this is the value of a and b here in this equation. Now, we have to find out the value of a plus b. So, a plus b is equal to minus 9 plus 8 is equal to minus 1. This is the value of a plus b in this equation. So, this is the solution. Thank you.